Imagine a universe without noise, without heat, without light. In the beginning, there was no hot explosion. There was only order. Matter in a state of perfect fluidity, moving with absolute freedom at zero-point energy. Here the cosmos is not dark because it is empty. It is dark because it is utterly free from any mechanical friction that would allow us to see it. Picture matter that knows no friction, particles moving in perfect, unrestricted freedom. In this state, matter becomes mechanically transparent. It neither absorbs nor reflects light because it never stumbles. This is free motion, the state of superfluidity that precedes everything we know. There is no mass as we understand it, no wasted energy. The entire universe exists in a silent, harmonious dance, eternal and undisturbed. This is the symphony of silence. But freedom has a price. When matter begins to lose its geometric harmony, something new is born, what we call chaos. This mechanical disruption is the origin of everything visible. The collisions create heat. The heat creates light. All the baryonic matter that forms stars, planets, and even our own bodies is nothing but matter stumbling on its path back toward stillness. Every atom in your body carries the ancient story of friction. Deep within our greatest scientific instruments, we attempt to recreate the conditions of that first disruption. At the highest energies achievable, a fleeting particle appears, the Higgs boson. In this model, it is not merely a giver of mass, it is the final mechanical cry of matter before it begins its return to freedom. Matter does not disappear, it simply ceases its state of confusion and slowly becomes mechanically transparent once again. Look at the universe today. In dense regions where chaos reaches its peak, we see brilliant stars and glowing galaxies. In the vast, seemingly empty spaces, matter has returned to its superfluid state. We call it dark matter, but it is in truth baryonic matter that has regained its perfect fluidity. It emits no light because it no longer stumbles, yet its mechanical presence continues to guard the architecture of the cosmos. The visible universe we know is merely a thin crust of disturbance, floating upon an immense ocean of absolute order. We live inside a fragile bubble of chaos, believing it to be the whole of existence, but the truth lies beyond, in the domain of zero-point energy, where the universe is free, transparent, and silent forever. This is the symphony of silence, and we are but a fleeting note within it. If this journey through the hidden harmony of the cosmos moved you, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing this film. Your engagement helps us bring more profound stories of science and wonder to life, until everything returns to its original freedom.